Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 5G, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage. Tap on your SD card, and from here you want to select the three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you'll find Format option. Click on it. This will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it. So select Erase and Format, and it looks like that's it. I just did this weird glitchy thing, and apparently it already did format the card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.